So this is almost a lesson on pointers all over again, but remember your variables are going to be, sorry, your const variables are going to be variables, or they can be pointers, or they can be other linked lists. It can be any data type that you really want. But as you know, especially in C++, you're going to have a lot of pointers. And when you're talking about regular non-const pointers, there's two ways of using them. And you can change the value of the data being pointed to or the pointer itself. So that brings up the issue that if we want to make something const, we not only got to make the the data portion const, we also have to make the pointer itself const. And you're going to see some examples of that later on in the set here. So when we're doing this, here's a very simple, const pointer example here. We have a value of being 5, and then we're setting our temp to 23, which I'll show you here in a little bit why we're using that. And then we go ahead our const int pointer, and notice we have the const in front, and that's going to go to the value. So in the value portion, the pointer portion, the star PTR, they go ahead and display exactly what you think they're supposed to, and that's 50 in both cases. So that's the nice part. I shouldn't say 50, but 5. So they both point to 5 or display 5 in both cases. But I tried to mess with some of the things here. And as soon as I tried to mess with both the value, which was already const, or the pointer value here, then it went ahead and, well, it didn't like it. The compiler gave us the arrows that are, or the errors that are being popped up right now. And then I tried another one here with a pointer equals ampersand temp, and it didn't like that either. So read only is a thing that you're going to see a lot when we put a const in front of it and then try to change it later. And that's perfect because const is supposed to be read only. You're not supposed to be able to change it. And again, only read or take in the number or value that it's pointing to, whatever. And that should work out exactly like we have right here for a very basic and simple pointer for now.